Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to insert data into your spreadsheet on the numbers application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the numbers application, which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all around to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the numbers application, which I see on screen. Now let's go to File, Open. This should take us to the desktop where we see work.numbers. Click on the spreadsheet. Now go to Open. And this will open up what we have been working on. So what we will do is increase the size of the table on screen. Now let's insert some data. So I'll just say fruit, quantity, price, which will be in pounds. So apple, mango, bananas, oranges. Let's go to quantity. So we have 5 apples, 5 mangoes, 5 bananas, and let's just say we have 25 oranges. And we will click on C7, go to Edit, or go to Insert, Formula, the sum. So this will add up all the fruit together as part of the total. Let's go to Price. This will cost us, let's just say £2 for apples, mangoes, £5, bananas, £2. The oranges will cost us about, let's just say £7. Go to D7, go to Insert, go to Formula, Sum, and there we go. So this will cost us, for all that fruit, £16. So we can now quit numbers. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.